Hey all you lovely ladies, it's Tracy here from Frugal Beauty. Happy Sunday, Sunday fun day. Yay! You guys, I was just in the middle of doing my morning makeup and everything, getting ready for the day. Just got out of the shower, so pardon the hair, but I couldn't even wait to finish doing my hair, drying it, to show you what I got because I'm so excited. So a couple weeks ago my sister came into town and visited, and she brought with her this nail kit that she had ordered on Amazon, and it came with the UV light and all the gel polishes and stuff. So I tried it, and guys, this was the game changer. So last night I'm laying in bed on Amazon, and honestly it took me hours to scroll through all the options. I'm just going to pull that up on the screen here for you real quick. I just typed in Beetles Gel Nail Kit on Amazon, and as you see, there's just already so many kits that this company has put together for you with different color schemes to choose from. I mean, there's themes on different seasons. You know, you have your brights, your pastels. They even have a mermaid line, which who doesn't love mermaids? Ugh, I love mermaids. But yeah, so as you see, it kind of took me a while to decide on which one I wanted to get, but I eventually went with my gut on this one, and it just has all your classic colors, which that's kind of my thing. I like to be able to do a French manicure or your classic red nail, sparkle tips, you know, I'm a big fan of that. So this one was just perfect for me. And it had a fantastic price point at just $42.99. Plus, you always have to look on Amazon and apply those coupons. So I got $3 off on this one, and it's here. So we're gonna unbox this together right now, and let's see what's inside. Okay, let's check this out. So open it up. Looks very neatly packaged inside, and it comes with this starter kit guide right on the top. This one is for the UV light. Okay, looks like in this bag we have our goodies. If I can get it out. There's so much stuff. Okay, so we have the little butterfly sparkle dust, some bigger accent gems, a variety of the silver and gold accent gems. Ooh, a pair of gem tweezers. Perfect. Tip guides in case you want to do a little mani-pedi, French style. Oui, oui. Okay, and this is like the, I guess you would call this like a tinfoil type glitter. Some nail tapes, in case you want to get real creative. Oh. And it looks like some metallic flames, kind of like a sticker slash tattoo type thing for your nails. Very cool. Alright. I love how everything is individually packaged. This is so cute, and I'm already excited. Maybe I'll actually keep this all organized for a change. But it looks like in this kit it kind of has your like care items. So we got one of these guys, separators. Two of them actually. A nail brush, file, buffer, clips. Oh, these things are wonderful. It pushes your cuticles back. I have absolutely god-awful cuticles. It is like probably the worst thing about my nails, but that really does help. Of a little brush for probably after you file. And, oh, I like cuticle plucker. Not sure what you call that. But, okay, so get that out of the way here. We got our glitz and glam stuff, our necessary kind of self-care items. This looks like the plug to the lamp. Here's our lamp. Very compact, but I would say an efficient size for just sticking your hand under there. It has the on-off switch, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds, so depending on how long your nails will take to dry. And then here's what it looks like underneath. Has lots of lights all around, so you don't miss any spots. And guys, I did read online that the UV lamp is actually healthy for your skin, and it can make your the wrinkles in your hands less noticeable and your skin softer. And so we'll see, because I'm 33 years old, so those are things that I have to consider at this age. So yeah, after a little research about that, I was kind of concerned if it was like a tanning bed, if it was like bad for your skin, but the small amount that you would actually use this in a week is actually gonna be beneficial to you, so that's good to know. Okay, it looks like we're getting to the polishes, the exciting part. We have some cuticle oil. That right there. This is probably the base and top coat. Okay, there's 4 of them in there. We have, oh, a nail strengthener and hardener. And I did read online that you would use this for applying the gems, like I guess as an adhesive. The base gel, the top coat, and oh, and your matte top coat option. So there is a choice to do a shiny or matte coat if you wanted to in this kit for each color. So that's really awesome and versatile. So rather than having like 12 nail polish colors to choose from, you really have 24. I like that. Okay, so now we have our colors. Not really sure off the top of my head what the names of these colors are. I apologize, because they are listed as numbers on here. But they come in these cute little bottles, and I mean, they're not the biggest nail polish colors, but for what you're paying for, you have all these options to choose from, and these will last you a while. I'm not mad about it at all. So maybe this will be easier if I just pick this up and show you. We'll get a close-up of all of those, and I'll put back on the screen again here now. And I think what we'll do real quick too, move this out of the way, and we'll just kind of paint on the box here real quick what everything looks like on the white background. Oh, this is a really pretty pink we have. Okay, so first up we have this really pretty pink color, perfect for the upcoming spring season, which I cannot wait for. And here is another pink. It looks like maybe a hotter shade. If I can open it, we'll see. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. That is much more vibrant if you're feeling bold. See that? And then we have this shade right here, which I'm really hoping is kind of light and pale enough to do with a French manicure. It looks like it's going to be. Oh yeah. Very pretty French manicure pink type shade, followed by your white. And I really don't have to probably show you a sample of what white looks like, but let's see the consistency. As you see, is like very, very thick, which is what you want and hope for in a gel nail. Perfect. Nice, solid white. And then my personal favorite nail color of all times. You cannot go wrong with a classic red. Shade 774. Ah, I love it already. Oh yeah, I'll be wearing that one quite a lot. And the black, which I've kind of just been really wanting to do some type of a black manicure. Kind of show that sexy, sultry side. And this blue. I'm not the biggest fan of like painting my nails what you would call fun colors, you know, but of all of them, this blue is really beautiful. And I think thrown in with like a black, white, or glitter, it would really, really make your nails pop. Okay, another reddish slash purple tone we have. Oh yeah, that's like a nice deep plum, I would say. I'm really happy how the consistency of all of these are. Like, they're very, very thick. It looks like I'm not going to need to apply a ton of it, which is always a plus. Time is everything. Okay, we have this like kind of sheerish glitter top coat. And then we have 3 more glitters in the pack.
They're really down there. Favorites, I always like the accent with a classic gold sparkle. We have, I don't know what you would call this, almost like a rose gold maybe? Let's oh. Yeah, it's like a coppery kind of rose gold color. And it looks like a white type of glitter. Oh, it's like silver. Okay. Just a little bit thicker than the other one.
So let's just zoom in on that for a moment and look at all the colors that you get in this kit. And again, I'll remind you, there are several kits that you can purchase online with different varieties of colors in them. And this is just the one that spoke to me the most because I do like your kind of classic reds and whites and blacks and sparkles, you know, something that you can work into every style manicure. And I just thought this was the best bargain for, I think, $43. There are also kits you can buy of just the colors online once you already have your lamp. So I will be purchasing many more refills, I'm sure. And if you want to see how my first manicure with this kit turns out, be sure to subscribe so you can catch the next video coming up. It's been a lot of fun showing this product review with you guys, and let me know what else you want to see, what other products you want reviewed, and I really hope you enjoy this nail kit as much as I do. Let me know, and we'll see you soon. Cheers!